photo shoots are trending everywhere, but here's the truth. Most people don't know how to actually create luxury, hyper-realistic shots that look like they belong in a magazine. Today, I'm showing you my exact prompt formula so you can turn a simple selfie into a full-on bougie photo shoot right from home.
See the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bag.
Welcome to Boujie Boss Empire, where luxury meets profit and AI meets empire building. I'm your Boujie Boss, teaching you how to use AI to build wealth, create viral content, and live a lavish lifestyle on any budget. If you're ready to master AI, hit that subscribe button because we got new videos coming every week. AI photo shoots are everywhere right now, like literally everywhere. You probably seen people transforming their selfies into high fashion editorials, fantasy looks, or even luxury brand campaigns. And while the apps themselves are powerful, this real secret isn't just clicking the button. It's knowing how to write the right prompts. The difference between getting a basic blurry AI pic versus a jaw-dropping luxury photo shoot image. Let me break it down for you with my AI Photoshoot Prompt Formula. Every strong prompt includes these 5 elements, which is subject, setting, outfit and style, lighting and mood, and camera details. Subject: who or what is in the photo? Example, a confident woman, a CEO, a boss babe. Setting: where the shoot is happening. Example, luxury rooftop, studio, beach at sunset. Outfit and style: what are they wearing? The vibe. Example, sparkling gold gown, fur coats, bougie energy. Lighting and mood: how the photo feels. Example, golden hour, cinematic, soft glowing light. Camera details: make it realistic. Example, DSLR, 4K, hyper-realistic, ultra detailed. Now, we're going to compare 2 prompts. One's bad, one's good. Here's the bad prompt. Make me a photo shoot picture. The results are going to be very boring, generic, nothing special. Good prompt: hyper-realistic luxury photo shoot of a confident woman in a sparkling gold gown standing on a rooftop at sunset. Soft golden lighting capture on DSLR. You see the difference? The second tells the AI exactly what to create, and that's how you get viral level results. Let's do a quick demo. I'll start with a basic selfie, then I'll paste my luxury prompt into the AI tool. Then we're going to send it, and then Gemini, this is Google Gemini, is going to generate the picture based off of the prompt that I just gave it. It does take a little minute sometimes because it has to create exactly what you're telling it to create. Boom, that's a glow up. A regular picture transformed into a bougie hyper-realistic luxury shoot. Let's try one more variation. This time it's going to be a hyper-realistic editorial photo shoot of a bold Aries woman wearing a red flame gown with gold accents, dramatic lighting, cinematic DSLR style. It's going to generate. Look at that. See how you can completely change the vibe just by switching up your prompt? Like, you have to know the right keywords. If you want to start creating your own AI photo shoots, I put together a list of 15 ready-to-use prompts that you can copy and paste today. You'll find in the description box below. Now, I want to hear from you. What kind of AI photo shoot would you like to try first? Drop your ideas in the comment box below so we can get inspired. And don't forget, subscribe to Boujie Boss Empire for more weekly AI secrets, money-making strategies, and luxury content hacks. Until next time, keep building your empire, boss.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.